This is the structure of the classification of numbers. Numbers B can either be real numbers or imaginary numbers. Real numbers can either be rational numbers or irrational numbers. Rational numbers can either be fractions or integers. Integers can either be negatives or whole numbers. Whole numbers can be either a zero or natural numbers. Now we will see what are the numbers in each of the classifications. We will start from the bottom. 0. A zero number is only the number 0. Natural numbers. These numbers are used in counting. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Whole numbers. These are numbers which is not negative, fractional, or decimal. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Negatives. Numbers which are less than 0. So, these are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on. Integers. These are the numbers which are not fractional or decimal. These are -1, -2, -3, and so on, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Fractions. These are the numbers with the numerator and denominator are whole numbers. Some examples are 1/2, 2/7, 4/5, 11/12. Rational numbers. These are the numbers that can be written as fractions. Some examples are 5, 0.5, 0.777, 4/5, 33/9. Irrational numbers. These are the numbers that cannot be written as fractions, such as non-repeating and non-terminating decimals. Some examples are square root of 11, 0.3033, pi, square root of 15. Real numbers. These are the numbers that can be found on a number line. Some examples are 1.5, 6, -5, square root of 4, 4/5. Imaginary numbers. These are the numbers that is a square root of any negative number. Some examples are square root of -1, square root of -2, square root of -4. Numbers is a value that is used to count or calculate.